What? Are you Nana boy? I think you need to tell me if you was. I knew you was Nana boy. Yes, you Nana boy. Can you show Nana duck lips? Can you show Nana duck lips? There they are. There's ducky lips. Are you sweet baby? Are you sweet baby? I think you was. I think you was Nana boy. Did you sleep good last night? Oh goodness! Did you sleep good last night? Well, honey, you're just trying so hard to talk to Nana. Well, buddy, you Nana boy. Goodness gracious, why